Hello guys, in this video I'm going to answer the question, can you use Grok without X Premium? So the answer, yes, and I'm here to teach you how. So you simply need to sign in into an X account, select the entry for Grok on the left right and submit your request. At the prompt, Grok consults a variety of websites users and post deliver its response. So that's one way. Now, there are other ways to do this. You can also visit their official website for Grok, create an account there, then try Grok 3. If you don't want to use your computer or laptop to utilize this function, you can simply download their mobile app on App Store or the Play Store as long as it's available in your country. Then simply fire away with your prompts. And that's how you utilize Grok 3 without paying for anything. That's it for this video. I hope this was very helpful to you.